Well, I just got back from Mother's house and I thought I was just going to dig a little bit because I thought that pipe, I knew the pipe went from here, high water pressure, and I'm pretty sure it comes up over here, low water pressure, and I'm bound and determined on getting that. And I dug this up and look what I found. Look what I found. See this big tree root? I'm gonna have to cut this tree root out. Here's the pipe that was coming down here, full pressure right there. And see right here, look at that. You see that? It's been mashed down because there was rocks underneath here, there was rocks on top of there, big rocks. See here? Rocks like this, and all kinds of other roots. All kinds of other roots here that was preventing this from coming up, and it couldn't shorten the distance because it was raising it up, and it just flattened it out like a pancake. And I'm pretty sure I had to take my curb, my lawn mower curb out of there, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be my issue. And I thought, you know, as I was driving here today, I thought, hey, you know, I'm sure I'm going to find a root. I thought I might find it right in here somewhere. But I thought, wherever it is, it's just mashed the pipe down. Once I cut the roots out and all that kind of stuff, I can straighten it up with a pair of pliers and just kind of lessen it, you know what I mean? And I probably don't even have to cut it. I was thinking I was going to have to cut it from here over to here somewhere, replace that, put some couplings in there. I don't think I'm going to have to do any of that. And here's my sprinkler pipe, my sprinkler head, and see how low it is. The grass is up flush with the curb right there, and it pops up out of there. So after I dig this out, I think that's on a swivel, an elbow, a 90-degree elbow, and another 90-degree elbow, to where I can dig this out a little bit, see what's going on there, see if I can't raise that up. Seems as though I'm right here, you know what I mean? And then I'm not 100% sure that I won't find any more roots in here. But once I cut this out, and I'll have to cut it out with a sawzall because my loping shears are not, I mean, they're almost big enough, but I don't know. I might break them, you know. And I have a sawzall, and it shouldn't take very long to cut that off. Then tomorrow I can turn the water on after I push it back, and then I can check the water pressure out here. If the water pressure is full on, then I know chances are there's nothing else going on underneath there. Okay, 25-year-old garden, 25-year-old house. This is the type of stuff you're gonna get. Okay, so I've been out here for the last 3 hours probably digging, trying to save the grass, digging this, and then dug over there because I saw the root go in underneath there. And see, I'm going to end up just cutting the root there, but before it's all said and done, it goes on over this way, and so I'll probably have to dig up the dirt and see where it is, because I probably want to cut that back wherever it's going. It's probably right in here somewhere. I may even have to lift up the next concrete mowing strip, dig that down, chop it off, and then redo that too. Okay, all right, I'm pretty sure I found the culprit. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I hope you learned something on this video.